Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500, a bike that perfectly blends performance, versatility, and affordability. Kawasaki has introduced this model as a direct replacement for the Ninja 400, offering more power, updated styling, and improved features to make it one of the best entry-level sport bikes available. Design and styling. The Ninja 500 follows Kawasaki's aggressive design language, borrowing elements from its bigger siblings like the Ninja ZX-6R and ZX-10R. The sharper fairings, LED headlights, and aerodynamic bodywork give it a race-inspired look. The redesigned fuel tank and compact tail section not only enhance the bike's visual appeal but also improve rider ergonomics. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 is a brand new 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering around 51 horsepower. This is a noticeable upgrade from the previous Ninja 400, giving riders more power for highway cruising in spirited riding. Chassis and handling. Kawasaki has kept the Ninja 500 lightweight, with a trellis frame that ensures excellent stability and agility. Weighing around 175 kilograms, 386 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, making it perfect for city riding and weekend getaways. The bike features 37mm telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, tuned to provide a balanced mix of comfort and sportiness. Braking and safety features. For stopping power, the Ninja 500 is equipped with a 310mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc, both assisted by dual-channel ABS. This ensures reliable braking in all conditions, enhancing rider safety. Price and competition. Kawasaki has priced the Ninja 500 competitively, making it a strong contender in the entry-level sport bike segment. It goes up against rivals like the Yamaha R7, KTM RC390, and Honda CBR 500R. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 is a well-rounded package that caters to both beginner and seasoned riders. It delivers an exciting blend of power, technology, and style while maintaining Kawasaki's legendary reliability. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a weekend canyon carver, the Ninja 500 is a fantastic choice. Stay tuned to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes for more updates on the latest motorcycles.